Sometimes we just ignore old stuff. I did the same thing. This is a very old trunk which I found while cleaning my storeroom. So I just thought of using it to store all miscellaneous items which create clutter and takes up lot of space in my kitchen. But it is not very pleasant to look at it, so I decided to give a makeover and I am using these colorful stickers to give it a new look. These stickers are square in shape, so very easy to use. Also it's waterproof, so I can wipe this trunk as and when needed. तो मैंने इसके तीनों साइड्स में ये प्रिंटेड स्टिकर्स लगा दिए हैं और ये मुझे ट्रंक बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है। यू कैन टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आपको कैसा लगा। इस ट्रंक का जो टॉप पोर्शन है वो थोड़ा अनइवन है, इसीलिए मैं यहाँ पे एक चेस बोर्ड यूज़ कर रही हूँ। ये भी एक पुराना चेस बोर्ड है जो कोई नहीं यूज़ करता अभी। इस पर मैंने ये स्टिकर्स लगा दिए हैं सो डैट थोड़ा सिमिलर लुक आए। नाउ दिस इज़ ऑल रेडी। लेटर ऑन आई विल पेंट इट्स हैंडल ऑल्सो। राइट नाउ आई डोंट हैव पेंट सो डैट कैन बी डन इवन लेटर, बट दिस ट्रंक इज़ ऑल रेडी टू स्टोर ऑल माई एक्स्ट्रा स्टफ for which I was not having enough space in my kitchen. Before storing anything in such type of trunks or boxes, make sure to pack everything separately so that things will not mix up and it will be easy for you to take out anything out very conveniently. So here I am keeping oil in a separate container and then I will keep it in the trunk. Similarly, I am keeping each and every item in separate containers like salt, spices, oil, etc. Try to use transparent container while storing so that you don't need to open each and every container every time when you want to take out things from the trunk. All those extra things which I don't use very often, I kept them inside the trunk, so all the clutter is hidden now. You may also use the top portion to store many things, so getting little more space for storage. I was thinking of where to store all these cute small glass jars as I don't have space left in my cabinets. So by using this big and strong wired basket, I can now store these glass jars right here on my trunk and utilize this space too. I have one more tray which is a DIY tray. I had a strong cardboard box which I covered with a jute fabric, and this can also be used as an organizer for storing various things for which we do not have space in our small kitchen. I can use this DIY tray for storing milk packets and other small sachets like coffee and sugar-free sachets. Let me tell you about MeraLink website. MeraLink online shopping website is perfect for buying various kitchen and household products at very reasonable rates. MeraLink will provide you free delivery, free cash on delivery and very easy returns and replacement in 5 days. Do check out the website and avail many offers and discounts daily. You can also shop through WhatsApp link. All links and details are provided in the video's description. Don't forget to check. A perfect space-saving organizer which can be used to store many small things. I bought this organizer from Amazon. You can fit it anywhere on open shelves or inside your cabinets. It has this type of holder which will fit perfectly on any shelf or cabinet. It has double-sided tape also for extra strength, but its holders are strong enough to take the weight even without the tape. You can store small spice bottles or coffee and sugar sachets, soaps, chocolate, brushes, etc. It will save lots of your space in your kitchen. Just to show you, I am putting various pouches and sachets along with few soaps and brushes so that you will get an idea about its size. So overall, this organizer is very useful and space saving, and also you don't need to do any drilling or holes to fix it. Very easy to fit and easy to use. It will be perfect for all your small things to store. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found these ideas useful, and thank you so much for watching my videos.